Hello UA teachers, and welcome to your Google Classroom Setup tutorial. In this video, we will be working on setting up the stream page in your Google Classroom. Kindly note that we will be using the UA Staff Classroom as a sample for the purpose of this video. You can always refer to UA Staff class later on for more detailed reference. To start, please click on the Stream button on top of the page to ensure that you are on the correct page. The first step is to post your welcome and class expectations message. This message is posted only once at the start of the class. To do so, go to the first empty box with the gray circle and click on it. We will post a sample message for you. Please feel free to use it for your own classes. This message should include class greeting, description of the class, as well as classroom expectations. You will have to include academic expectations as well as behavior expectations. Please refer to this message in your UA Staff Classroom for more details. Once ready, scroll down and click on the Post button. Now your welcome and expectations message is posted. Next, we will be talking about the upcoming box. It is very important to point this box out to your students. This is where they will find their due assignments with the due dates. You can see you have your attendance that is due and when it's due is due tomorrow. Also, kindly note that you need to post daily announcement at the beginning of every session. We have also posted one daily announcement for you. Please feel free to use the same format for your class. If you need to move an announcement up or down, please click on the three dots and click on Move to Top. This post will now be the first post in the thread. The daily announcement should include greetings, the date of that day, as well as the class objectives for that day and the agenda of the day. You can also include extra announcements that you need your students to know. We hope this tutorial helps you organize your Google Classroom. We are looking forward to a successful virtual learning experience. Thank you very much for listening, and UA all the way.